Where you going, buddy? Just walking around? That's cool. You all right? All right, big boy. Yeah, buddy. You're okay. You're okay, big boy. You're okay, big buddy. Hi, dude. Hi, dude. I'm just filming you, bud. I'm just filming on you, big boy. How you doing? Hi, good boy. Hi, good boy. Good, good puppy. Good. Good boy, Billington, dude. Good boy, buddy. Hi, dude. Hi, dude. Good boy, bad boy. Good. It's okay, buddy. Good boy. Hi. How's the big boy? How you doing, big buddy? All right. Good boy, Jack. Good boy, Blinken. Yeah. Good boy, Blinken, dude. I know, buddy. Good boy, buddy. Good, dude. Good. That's a big Blinken. Good boy, buddy. Thank you, big boy. Good, dude. Good, dude. Good, buddy. Good, my buddy. Good, dude. All right, man. You're real good. You're coming along really well there today, Blinken. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. That's a good boy, dude. What's up, Jack? What's the matter, buddy? What's the matter, Jack? I told. Oh, be careful, bud. You all right? I know you just smacked your head in my shin. Like, all right, okay. It's okay, big boy. You all right, dude? It's all right, buddy. Good boy. You're good, bud. You're being good. You're good, buddy. All right, that's right. Some of these guys are just weird around here. Like that dude, I don't know. He looks like he was from maybe San Jose or something. But dang, they don't want to be hard. They don't want to be that gangster or that bad man. How about just be a good guy? Be a good person. Do the right thing. Smile. No reason to have to stare people down. Whatever. Hey, baby. You okay? It's okay. Good boy, Jack. Good boy, Jack. Play with Blinken. Good, buddy. You know, go play with Blinken, dude. You're all right. He's a good boy. Good boy, Blinken. You're a good buddy. I know, buddy.